see the train. Good night again, Anthony.
All the way.
I do it like this. Mine is better because it's...
I knew it. He's gonna go back to sleep. Oh, no, no,
You
no.
want to come up with me?
Cora Express. Woo-hoo! Oh gosh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Alright guys, we're past 9 3/4, everyone. We have more past 9 3/4.
Doors closing. Enjoy your trip.
Bye-bye. And where the heck am I going?
Michael, can you trade spots with Adam, please?
Surprising we couldn't be with Nana and Papa.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it was 9 people.
Well,
There's only 8.
oh.
Nana's or Mom's carrying a baby.
I hope no Dementors come and hunt us down again.
Yeah, watch that one.
Let's put the... You don't have to video.
What one do you guys have?
What one?
Do you guys have?
Yes. She has Luna and I have a Willow.
Alright.
What do you have?
I have the elder one. John has Fred's.
No, I have
Adam
George's
has
one.
Oh, George?
I have a random one. Just
Yeah,
don't
it's
ask for it.
fantastic.
It's,
Do you have one?
Not yet. Not yet.
Don't worry. You won't be a muggle anymore. You won't be a muggle anymore.
You can record the window. It'll start.
Like you won't.
Yes, please record the window. Yeah, it's gonna.
Emergency, the situation located on the windows will unlock the cabin doors. They travel.
The wide. Normal.
What the heck?
We're good.
Thank you.
Harry Potter.
I think they actually just put like a TV here.
Yeah.
One that's big enough to cover the whole thing.
Yeah, that.
But the reason they do that is because
Yeah,
like,
just a screen. It's a screen when you move, I think it's open.
Kind of like it. It's kind of like you're barely even moving, and they're just like.
it does feel like.
I think we're moving right now. I think we're actually moving right now.
Hope we're moving.
I'm still soaking wet, guys.
Oh yeah, from the ride that I
My
made
shorts
you
aren't
take
that
3
wet.
times. Yeah,
Well,
right.
they're actually
The ride that
not
me and
wet.
Michael tried getting you guys with those guns, but we didn't.
Oh gosh. Wait, you guys didn't?
No.
No. Okay. Darn.
You're moving, everyone.
Yeah, we are moving. I would feel it with my feet, but whatever. Here we are. Oh man. House. Sorry.
Wait, how about this one?
Looks like a bunch of fish here.
Let's keep looking. Good, we're out. Yep. Subscribe to Puffball Fam stuff and leave a like.